started snowing this morning. We kind of have a mix of snow and rain, but it's gonna hopefully, well, we think, all turn to snow. And the kids start ski school tomorrow. So we are headed now to get their ski stuff.
We are the Stills family. After 15 years of marriage, 3 kids, and successful careers, we decided to take a left turn and change our lives completely. We quit jobs, we quit the never-ending pursuit of chasing more, and we packed up for a grand adventure through Europe. Along the way, we are rediscovering ourselves and each other, learning what it means to slow down and rest, and finding adventure in the simple and extraordinary. We are Stills in Halftime.
How the boots feel?
Uncomfortable.
What trick is this back there?
Give me just a minute.
Dad, I can hold my
Alright,
stuff.
Paul's.
Yeah, I can hold my. It can't be mixed with mashed potato. You know we all hate that and never ever.
Okay, what'd you get, guys?
We got skis and poles and ski boots. Wait, fish sticks. Fish sticks. Dad. Dad, I want to go backwards. Dad, I'm going backwards.
You're okay.
Oh! Oh no! I got it right here.
Big kids just left with Nick for their first day of ski school, and they are like over the moon excited. I'm super thankful they have each other because it's just like a security blanket. So they are going with a bunch of other kids. We're crossing our fingers that their instructor speaks good English, but the mountain where they're going got a lot of snow last night. So I am praying for the next like 20 minutes that everybody gets there safe because the roads are pretty snowy this morning.
Alright, Smith, any final words?
We're going skiing.
Are you excited?
Yeah, kinda. I might even die.
No, you won't die. Have any thoughts?
Nope.
What are you doing here? So day 1 of ski school, the kids have finished their morning lesson. It was not snowing when we started, and now it's just like coming down. So, but they've done awesome. Back here behind me is the kind of the kid slope that they've been on all morning, but they've decided now it's time for this one. So they're about to head up for their first run. So we'll see if I have to go up and rescue them or not.
What? Oh no, we're going up high. You ready? Maybe? Yeah, but this is the only way down. Let's go.
it. Good job, man.
Great.
I know. I thought you are in trouble because you're not turning at all. Girl, you crushed it. You did awesome. All right, so how's your first day? You like it so far?
Kinda.
Are you gonna come back?
Yeah.
All right, day one.
For success.
Success. What was your favorite part?
Probably getting to stay later than our class.
Yeah? You kind of smell.
It's early, it's like 6:30. Everly and Smith are outside playing in the snow, but today we're all going skiing. Good morning. And one thing that's important to us is if we're afraid to do something within reason, it's not like super dangerous, that we do that thing. And that's really important to the kid, for us, for the kids. And so today we're driving in the snow and it's time to go skiing.
So it is day 2 of ski school. For the kids, we just dropped them off, and now me and Jenny and Lennon are walking to pick up our ski rentals because we're gonna maybe get on the bunny slope with Lennon today and see if she's got any ski skills. So you just wear them right here until you pull them down.
My ears.
Yeah, I can't hear either.
So like they're no funny.
Yeah, I can't hear either.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh.
Oh, I see here.
All right, let's point them and go. All right, let's go. Yep, keep them straight. Let's go.
Excuse me, I don't know how to get going.
All right. You're good.
Oh,
You're all right. You're okay.
Daddy, I did that one by myself. I'm ready.
Bonjour. So first time down the big one, they had a few spills, but they made it, right, Smith?
On the second flip, I flipped in the air and then I landed on
Yeah, you're covered in snow. All right, so where it bends, that's where it gets pretty steep and pretty icy. You all right? okay? Are you okay? Are you, Smith, are you all right? Can you move? Can you move? What's hurting? No, what's hurting? Are you hurt or? Can you move it? No, can you move it?
So I was going down and I was trying to avoid the sprinklers that turned into ice. And then I went too fast. I bumped into a chunk of snow. My skis went straight and I slid too fast and I couldn't stop. And then I flipped and then I landed on my shoulder. It didn't feel good. I felt like I was dying. I was scared and I was scared.
Scared of what?
I was scared that one of my bones were broken and it never stopped hurting it.
Tell me about when we tried to get up.
Oh, it was really painful. I didn't want to ski down the mountain. I wanted to walk down the mountain.
So we did try to start walking, correct?
Yes, and I made it pretty far. My stomach started to hurt
You finally decided you were gonna ski down. Why did you decide that?
because my stomach was hurting. And it wouldn't stop hurting worse.
We decided to put on your skis. How did that feel?
It didn't feel good.
No.
Because
Could you move your arm at all?
no. We snow plowed down.
Beverly was waiting at the bottom. What did we do when we saw her?
Tell her to go get Mom because I was hurt. I saw you guys. I thought you guys were like doing a new move. I thought you guys were doing a move where Smith would direct you. I thought you going backwards and him going forwards, like he was leaning on you. So I was like, what in the heck? Are these dudes crazy? They're on the mountain.
When you saw Smith, did you think he was just faking it?
No, because he was like, he won't move his head.
We finally got to the bottom of the mountain and took your skis off. And it had probably been about, 30, 45 minutes. How was your arm feeling when we got to the bottom?
I was too afraid, and I was even afraid to move my head. I was looking down because when I faced it up, it started to pull up my arm, and then it hurted.
So we went to the ER.
They made me do the giggle gas, and then they just pulled off my shirt.
Did it hurt?
Yes.
You could feel it?
Yes. The giggle gas didn't work on me. We went to go get a x-ray, which I couldn't stay still. And I wasn't wearing my shirt for the whole time.
Did you have shoes on?
No.
So finally the doctor told us what?
I broke my collarbone. And then they had to tighten something so hard on me. I started crying and I felt like I would never stop.
Yeah. How many weeks are you going to be out of commission?
3 weeks.
So do you think when your arm is better, you're going to do some more skiing?
I wanted to get back out to ski.
So what has Mom been doing to help your healing?
Eat so much food. Meat and orange juice and milk. He broke his collarbone.
How did he do that?
He fell on the mountain of snowiness.